going on YouTube? It's your girl Barry J, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So this video is basically about this look that I created using only one makeup palette. If you guys are interested in seeing the way I created this look, please stay tuned and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Without further ado, peace. So I did my eyebrows off camera because, you know, I just wanted to rush this video a little bit. So I'm gonna prime my eyes. For like editing purposes, like I learned that I'm gonna just do one eye on camera because when I record doing both eyes, it takes so long to like edit it. So I'm gonna just focus on one eye for right now, and then if it goes good, I'm gonna just do it on the other eye because your girl be struggling when it comes to editing. It's like takes forever. Now I'm adding a lighter base to it because I think I'm gonna go with a bright look. My one and only favorite palette, Take Me Back to Brazil, BH Cosmetics. This green from the palette, and just dab that into the green. Now I'm gonna take this light blue at the top and just blend out this green. We're gonna just take a nice clean blending brush, fluffy blending brush, and just blend out the corners of the eyes. Like just blend out everything. A clean brush, and then going with this darker green right here and place it directly into the cut crease. Taking my finger, I'm gonna just kind of dab this on to give it like an ombre effect, kind of. With this shimmery green right here. Same brush that we used this darker green with, and just fade out the end of the eye. So cute and simple. So I'm gonna do this eye off camera. I'm gonna do my eyelashes and my ring and everything off camera, then come right back. So I hope those steps was thorough enough. So this is how the eyes look, you guys. I did my contour and everything else, I'm gonna go back to the eyes and finish up the eyes a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is going with that green that we first put down and apply that first underneath my underneath the eyes. Apply that darker green color that we applied in the cut crease before and apply that underneath the waterline as well. So my hair looks mega crazy right now. I need my hair done, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.